am Mel Artiaga, and I learned 3D game programming at the School of Code. And I'd like to show you this project I've made. It's called Minecraft Coin Collector. So this has basically a score system and a health system. And here you basically collect the coins and just don't run into an enemy there. That. But what happens if you collect all the coins? Yeah. Well, I'll just show you right here, especially since I have a hard time explaining all the time. That was risky. Anyway, don't touch the creeper. I know I hit a 6 1. Oh, there. Now let's see where this. Now let's get it and score error. You won. Yeah, and that is I'm pretty sure that is the entire game. Ignore that. Let's go into the code. And I think I'll show you when the Minecraft avatar collides with the money, which, by the way, Minecraft avatar is the player right here. And by the way, the money is this list here. It'll name the collided object as OBJ. And then remove OBJ from Hatch Workspace. Change the score by 1. Set the score text to join scores. The score, which I'm pretty sure I think it's this text. And then it'll set the score text color into a random one for variation. And if the score is 5, so this block of code here will predict if you won or not, you'll set the score text to error you won, as you probably saw. It'll disable the player motion. It'll turn the Minecraft avatar visible to false, meaning it's now invisible. And that's my presentation. And also, this is only one block of code. There's like, this is all my code. All right, and that's my presentation. Goodbye.